Hello my friends. My name is Brandon. I kindly request that you support my new YouTube channel, which I have opened to bring everyone to financial freedom with a $0 budget. Please subscribing my channel and liking my videos. Let's quickly move on to our video. Here are a few steps you can take to start affiliate marketing with little to no money. Research affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche or interests and that don't require an initial investment. Create a website or blog. You can start a website or blog using a free platform such as WordPress.com or Blogger. Use this platform to promote affiliate products and earn commissions. Use social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can be used to promote affiliate products without any cost. Create content. Create valuable content such as reviews, tutorials, and comparisons to promote affiliate products. Reach out to other websites. Reach out to other websites in your niche and ask if they would be interested in promoting your affiliate products. It's important to remember that starting a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and patience. You may not see immediate results, but by consistently promoting affiliate products and creating valuable content, you can grow your audience and increase your earnings over time. Research affiliate programs. The first step to starting affiliate marketing with no money is to research affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche or interests. Look for programs that don't require an initial investment and that offer products or services that align with your audience's needs. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ClickBank. You can find affiliate programs by searching online or by reaching out to companies directly. Once you've found a few affiliate programs that you're interested in, take the time to carefully read through the terms and conditions to understand how the program works and what the commission structure is. You'll also want to consider the reputation of the company, the quality of their products or services, and how well they support their affiliates. It's also worth noting that there are two types of affiliate programs: pay-per-sale and pay-per-lead. Pay-per-sale is where you get a commission for every sale that is generated from your referral link. Pay-per-lead is where you get a commission for every lead that is generated from your referral link, e.g. a sign-up for a free trial. Create a website or blog. One of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products is to create a website or blog. A website or blog gives you a platform to share valuable content, such as reviews, tutorials, and comparisons, that can help promote affiliate products and earn commissions. There are a few free platforms that you can use to create a website or blog, such as WordPress.com or Blogger. These platforms are easy to use and require no technical knowledge. However, it's worth noting that free platforms may have limitations in terms of customization, branding, and monetization options. When creating your website or blog, it's important to focus on building a strong brand and creating valuable content that will attract and engage your target audience. It's also important to optimize your website for search engines by incorporating keywords into your content and meta tags. Once your website or blog is up and running, you can start promoting affiliate products by including affiliate links in your content, creating banner ads, or creating a dedicated page for affiliate products. Use social media. Another effective way to start affiliate marketing with no money is to use social media platforms. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can be used to promote affiliate products without any cost. To start promoting affiliate products on social media, you'll first need to create accounts on the platforms that you plan to use. Once you have your account set up, you can start sharing valuable content and promoting affiliate products. When promoting affiliate products on social media, it's important to be strategic about the content you share. You'll want to focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that aligns with your niche and interests. For example, you can share product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons, or create social media posts that highlight the benefits of a particular product or service. You can also use social media to drive traffic to your website or blog, where you can promote affiliate products more in depth. You can also use paid social media ads to promote affiliate products, but it's not necessary to start with. It's also important to be transparent when promoting affiliate products on social media. Always disclose that you're an affiliate and make sure to follow any guidelines or rules set out by the social media platform. Create content. Creating valuable content is a key aspect of affiliate marketing, regardless of whether or not you have a budget. By creating high-quality content that aligns with your niche and interests, you can attract and engage your target audience, and promote affiliate products more effectively. There are several types of content that you can create to promote affiliate products. Product reviews. Share your honest opinion and experiences with a particular product or service. Be sure to include affiliate links in your review to make it easy for your audience to purchase the product. Tutorials and how-tos. Create step-by-step guides or video tutorials that show your audience how to use a particular product or service. This type of content is particularly effective for promoting more complex or technical products. Comparisons. Compare different products or services within your niche and highlight their pros and cons. This type of content can be useful for helping your audience make an informed decision when purchasing a product or service. Case studies. Share real-life examples of how a particular product or service has helped a customer solve a problem or achieve a goal. Infographics, videos, and other forms of visual content can also be used to promote affiliate products. When creating content, it's important to focus on providing value to your audience. Your content should be informative, well-researched, and engaging. It's also important to optimize your content for search engines by incorporating keywords into your titles, meta tags, and alt tags. Reach out to other websites. Another way to start affiliate marketing with no money is to reach out to other websites in your niche and ask if they would be interested in promoting your affiliate products. This can be a great way to get your affiliate products in front of a new audience and increase your sales. When reaching out to other websites, be sure to personalize your message and explain why you think their audience would be interested in your affiliate products. You can also offer to create a guest post or offer a commission for any sales that are generated from your affiliate link. It's important to remember that building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and patience. By consistently promoting affiliate products and creating valuable content, you can grow your audience and increase your earnings over time.